Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm gonna need you to smile. Are we close enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to share some of the space?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna be doing our nighttime skincare routine that we've been doing for months now, and that has been working really well for both of our skills.
Really well.
Skills! Really well for both of our skins. So Mo and I, by the way, this is my boyfriend Mo, so everyone meet my boyfriend. He's the one that does all my videos, editing, videography, all that. He does it all, so he's my behind the scenes king. And he makes it all happen. So today we're gonna get right into it. You're welcome. Today we're gonna get right into it. We are going to be doing masks, we're gonna be doing toners, cleansers, moisturizers,
Mask off.
moisturizers, makeup remover, you name it, we have it here, and we are gonna do it together. Ready? So today, Mo, do you wanna tell us what mask we're doing?
So today we're gonna use the Kiehl Peel Off Mask Pomegranate. Okay, so what do we do first, Beck?
So we are gonna do, Mo's gonna do a mask. He's already cleansed his face, right?
Yes.
So he's gonna do the mask. That's gonna be on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then he's gonna remove it. While he's doing that, I'm gonna be removing all my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys what steps I do to remove my makeup. And yeah, so Mo, go ahead, you can put on the mask. He's gonna be applying the mask today with this e.l.f. It's what I use to apply all my masks. It's really good. I picked it up at the drugstore and I really love it. So he's gonna be using this to apply it. And he's just gonna put it all over his face.
Paint it.
In the meantime, just paint it, Mo. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I use to take off all my makeup. So the first thing that I do for my nighttime and morning routines to take off and wash my face, I use this, I use this scrunchie. It's kind of like a headband. It's really great so that you don't get any water or any kind of cleanser into into your hair and stuff like that. So it's really great to keep your hair nice and clean, all your hair, so you don't get it wet. First product I'm going to be using today is the Clinique Take Off the Day Makeover Remover. This is for the lids, lashes, and the lips. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. This is what it looks like here. First thing I'm gonna do is remove my lashes because I'm wearing lashes right now. All right. So I'm gonna be using some of these cotton browns, they're called. These are also a must-have. I love them. They're really good to take off eye makeup and lip makeup, and also to apply toner. So I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of product onto this. How's it going?
Doing it good?
Huh?
Am I doing a good job?
I think so.
Am I missing anything?
No, you're good. So just gonna be applying some of this, and I'm gonna need to share that mirror.
See me working over here?
I'm just gonna be taking off all of the eye makeup that I put on.
Oh, look, a donut.
Glazed donut.
So I'll leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes.
Get in the shot booth. Talk to the people.
Hi, people.
Okay, meet this mirror.
My name is Mo.
Can you talk to them while I do this?
Look, a donut. Is it supposed to burn?
Is it burning? Read what it's supposed to do for the skin on the back of it there.
It's supposed to help tone your skin with the natural properties of pomegranate. This peel-off mask will pamper you with natural extracts while lifting impurities away from your skin to reveal a fresh complexion. Impurities, word of the day. Okay, so what am I supposed to say?
Just be yourself.
I don't know if you want that.
Tell them your name. Like, what do you do for a living?
So my name is Moten, or Mo, and I am a retired professional football player. I played 7 years in the Canadian Football League.
Okay.
I'm an adult now. I don't play games anymore.
Alright guys, so I'm just removing all my lipstick. And I removed all my eye makeup as well.
This is what you really look like?
Yep. You about to see it.
This is dripping off my face.
Okay, so guys, it's dripping?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. May I put too much?
It
looks like coming up my nose.
just wipe. Okay, as I was saying, yep, just wipe it off. So this stuff is really great. This is magic. Like this is my go-to makeup remover. So if you don't have it, get your hands on this one. It's amazing. Also, the Take Off the Day Balm, which is kind of like coconut oil consistency. To remove all your makeup, you literally need like a dab and it removes everything. I don't have any right now. I ran out of it, but it is bomb. Like, you need to get it. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna use this Garnier cleanser. This is the Garnier Skin Active Mattifying Cleanser. And this one, oh my God. This one is really great. I've been loving it so far. I got this one, I think, about 3 weeks ago, and it's amazing. It makes your skin feel so fresh. Makes your skin feeling like...
Garnier.
It makes your skin like feel super fresh, the smell is amazing. It's green tea. I think green tea extract, yeah. So this one is really great if you guys need a good moisturizer that's cheap. It was, I think, $10.99, so it's great. So we're just gonna put a little bit on our hand. $10.99, that's cheap for all this.
Some moisturizer.
Okay, and then I have a little bit of water here, so what I'm gonna do is just wet my hands a little bit, and then I'm just gonna rub it all over my face.
It's vegan.
Vegan, that's a bonus.
Combination of oily skin and squirt.
Yeah, so this is another thing I wanted to say. This is really great for oily skin, which me and Mo generally have. I think we have normal to oily face. I know I don't need this right now. So next thing, after you're done putting your cleanser on, next thing I'm gonna use is this. It's called the makeup remover, the Face It makeup remover. This is what it looks like here. I picked this one up from the drugstore. Where were you, baby? I found this one at the drugstore, but this is honestly...
We found it together.
Okay, yeah, we did find it together. Anyways, so I've been seeing this all over Instagram, all over Facebook, all over Twitter, everywhere, that people have been... I don't even have Twitter. I don't even have Twitter. So I'm just going to squeeze out all the water. It's in a heart shape, and it has 2 pockets to put your hand in. Oops. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's basically a heart.
For love.
And the back has 2 little pockets to insert your hand. So what you're gonna do, basically put your hands in, and then remove all of the cleanser. Mo, what do you think?
Is my face dry yet? Looks amazing.
No, your face isn't drying. What's wrong with it?
I don't know.
I'm not using that mask.
It's embarrassing.
Guys, look at this. Isn't that magic? So there's some product on here. Wait, I'm gonna put it in the water, and it instantly comes off of it, which is super crazy. It's so crazy, Mo. Like, usually when I wash my face, I use cloths, like any cloth that anyone would have. And the cloth is like left super dirty, and like, I hate it. So this one, guys, magic. It's like I never even used it. Like, isn't that amazing? Isn't it? All right, so then...
I'm too excited about that.
I'm gonna show you guys the next step. The next step is to tone the face. So what I like to do with the toner is put it on a cotton round. And what the toner does is that it's also a mattifying toner, which is from the same line of the Skin Active Garnier stuff. And it's gonna go ahead. So it removes the traces of makeup, pollution, and dirt. Pollution. Right, so after you remove the makeup, this is what you're gonna use. So it's gonna go and get all the little oils, dirt, and makeup that the makeup remover didn't get. Pollutions. If you guys aren't doing the step in your makeup removal routine, please make sure you do, because you may think that you're getting all the makeup off, but you're not. You don't want to be sleeping with makeup on your face, because then you're gonna look like that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Corny. I can't believe you've never used this and you made me put it on.
I've never used that mask, no. That's why I told you to get the one. So his mom got us these masks, or got me these masks, and they're really good. They're like actual moisturizing masks. And they help like brighten up the face and all that stuff. Okay guys, are you ready to see this?
Next show.
Okay, next step that we have, floss. Anyways, so we might have to remove this mask without... See, it's not drying, guys. I don't think it's good, so I don't recommend it. Right, Mo? I think I put Mo onto these.
No.
No?
I had this way before you.
Oh. No. He didn't, but... See, we can tell who flosses more.
I have tight teeth, y'all. Don't worry about that. I have tight teeth.
Okay. Show them your teeth. Okay. Okay. After we're done that.
Show them my teeth. What's wrong with you?
Okay, now that your face is completely clean from oils, impurities, dirt, makeup, and pollution. We are going to use this. What I like to use is it's actually from the Garnier line as well.
Garnier.
It's the Skin Active Garnier line. And this is the Soothing Facial Mist. So this is just a really nice way to bring some moisture back to the face, feel refreshed before we go in and put on all the moisturizers on our face. So I'm just gonna, really?
I feel like I did.
Oh, it is drying. I can see it drying, but I think you just put, your layer was too thick. Anyways, I'm gonna spray this on my face. All right.
20 sprayers.
So just let it dry a little bit. The next thing that we're gonna do while this dries is I'm gonna show you guys what moisturizer I've been using. This is, again, from the Garnier line, the Skin Active line. This is the Moisture Rescue, and it has SPF 15 in it. And let's see what it does. It instantly locks in the moisture and protects and defends against moisture loss, which is really good overnight because your skin is going to be drying overnight while you're sleeping, so this helps keep the moisture into the skin.
Back it up.
So that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to apply one pump to my hand here. Moisture is in and locked in. Next thing I'm going to use, especially for my night routine, is an eye cream. This one's from Origin's Ginseng. It's the Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff, which is really nice at night and also in the morning when you wake up. You can put this on. I don't know if you guys know this, but science fact. Ready for this, Mo?
Ready.
Your eye, underneath your eye, is the only place that doesn't release any kind of oils or moisture. So you need to moisturize it yourself.
Getting tight. I don't know if y'all could see. Face is getting harder to move.
Okay guys, once that settles in, we're just waiting for Mo to finish his mask here. But I think what happened was that he applied too much of a layer, like it's too thick, so it's not drying properly because it is a peel off mask. Okay, next step for me, while Mo is drying his mask. The next step, this is a high-end product. It's very expensive, but it is magic. So if you want to splurge, Mo knows, he bought it. If you want to splurge, please get your hands on this. This is the Time in a Bottle from Philosophy. Okay. This one is meant to resist, renew, repair, and this acts as a serum for the face. So you can apply this after your moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It has 2 products in it that I had added in it when you get it. So make sure that
them in there.
Yeah, so it came with a little bit of vitamin C. I think it was like an orange little thing, and then I put it into this and I had to shake it up. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in my palms. I'm gonna rub it between my hands, and I'm not gonna swipe. I'm just gonna dab it into my skin.
Why don't you wipe it in the skin?
Because it doesn't get into the skin properly. Trust me, I've tried it.
Just asking, dang.
Just kidding. Okay, next step, guys. I think we're almost done here. Next step. And most mask is still drying. Okay, next step is this is the Kiehl's Serum. Oh, that's in French. This is the Kiehl's Hydro Plumping Retexturize.
Say it in French.
I know, but the people don't
Say it
know
in French so they know you know.
Okay. Serum concentré hydro-répulpant retexturisant.
This is big. Hey.
Dang. French is hard. Like, I grew up in a French environment. I grew up in French schools. But guys, French is hard. So for those who did French immersion,
they didn't ask for all that.
So I usually use this at night. I don't usually use it during the day because it does have some oils in it. So it leaves your skin feeling a little bit oily. But what it does is it basically like plumps up your face to give you that nice, fresh, healthy looking face. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this, the back of my hand. And you only need one pump because the pump is very generous. So again, I'm gonna be rubbing it into my hands. And again, we are gonna be pressing this in. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna look like a goddess in the morning.
I'm gonna be stuck like this.
Doesn't the skin look fresh?
So.
Guys, skincare routine is, I'm sorry, but it is very essential. Before I met Mo, he did not have a skincare routine, and we fixed that quickly. Because if you want to age gracefully, you need to have a skincare routine.
You should see my parents and my grandparents.
Like, no, we both have good genetics. We both have good genetics, but we're in extreme temperatures. You need to have a skincare routine so that your skin just stays fresh. Fresh, healthy, and glowing. And you'll age well, I'm sorry.
Okay, we gotta hurry up.
Okay, so this I only do at night. This is the Olay Regenerist Luminous facial oil. This is what it looks like. Facial oil. It's late. This is what it looks like. It's basically a face oil that's gonna help just bring some moisture back to the face. So I apply honestly just like 4 drops, 5 drops. I mix it into my hand, and then again, I just soak it into the face here. Okay, you need to take off that mask.
Cool.
Peel it, start peeling it.
I'm waiting for you.
No, start peeling it from the...
I wanna do it.
Still, is it dry now?
I mean, kinda. How do I peel it?
Here, let me help you. Okay, say bye to the people. Say bye.
Bye.
Mo!
Do not buy this. You wanna know my recommendation? Don't buy this crap, alright? Kit, don't buy it. It's not worth it.
Oh.
I've been here for 25 minutes and it's still not dry.
Okay, you guys, so this has to be the end of the video because what was a disaster right now. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys were able to find some products that maybe you don't have in your nighttime or daytime routine, skincare routine, that you are considering using now because I showed you and you like them. So please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you like this video, please, please, please give us a thumbs up. And if you like Mo, give him a thumbs up too. Look at him. Never again, Mo.
Nope.
Never again. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great day, and
in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, good night. What movie is that?
I don't know.
The Truman Show.
Who the hell's that?
Jim Carrey, Canadian icon, comedian. Bye. And that sucked.